In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Robinhood account number. Whether you're using the Robinhood app or the website, locating your account number is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to follow. Let's start with the Robinhood app. First, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. It's important to ensure that you have the latest version of the app installed. This helps avoid any potential issues and ensures a smooth experience. Once you have the app open, look for the profile icon, which looks like a person. Tap on it. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can access various settings and information related to your Robinhood account. Next up, tap on the menu icon. It's represented by three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. This icon is typically located in the upper corner of the app screen. Once you tap on it, a list of options will expand in front of you. Scroll down through the menu options until you find the option labeled Show Numbers. Tap on it. This action will display your Robinhood account number. Now you have your account number right in front of you. You can use it for account transfers and verification purposes. From there, let's switch our focus to the Robinhood website. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Robinhood website. Make sure you're securely signed into your account by entering your login credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Account Settings. This section contains all the essential settings related to your account. It ensures that you can manage your account details efficiently. In the account settings, look for and select Personal Information. This is where you can view and update your personal details, including your contact information. In the Personal Information section, find the option labeled Other Details. Click on See Account Numbers. This should reveal your account number within the Account Details section. You now have access to your account number on the website, just like in the app. It's crucial to understand that your Robinhood account number is distinct from your routing number. While the account number is typically used for account transfers and verification, routing numbers play a different role. They are primarily used for direct deposits and ACH transfers. Knowing the difference can save you from potential confusion down the road. As you complete these steps, remember that having your account number readily available can be a time saver. Whether you're setting up transfers or verifying your account, this number is essential. It's always good practice to keep your account information secure and private. Before we wrap up, let me reassure you that these steps are designed to be simple and efficient. Following them ensures you can quickly access your Robinhood account number whenever you need it. That's all for today's video on finding your Robinhood account number. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.